You search for how to buy shares of Technip Energies N.V. Technip Energies is an energy engineering company listed on Euronext with the ticker TE.PA. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy this stock, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar to find the company by name or by ticker. Type TE.PA and select the listing that corresponds to Technip Energies N.V. on Euronext. Open the asset page to review the company description, basic market data, and the price chart. Confirm the exchange and the TE.PA ticker to make sure it is the correct stock. To place a purchase, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may become pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. See the eToro link in the description if you want to visit the platform.